Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking in a minute. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got, that's right, Philly cheesesteak. We're going to be making you guys a cheesy Philly cheesesteak sliders. And here's the bread right here, Hawaiian rolls right here. 12 of those in there. I have a pan right here. Today is my auntie birthday, Lily. So wish Lily a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lily, if you're watching. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. We got some mushroom right here. I got 2 bell peppers. I got some cheese right here. This cheese right here I shredded myself, and all I did was put it in the freezer or whatever the case may be when I need it. Then I just use it. Okay, this cheese right here is Kobe cheese. We have some provolone. It's like 12 slices of provolone cheese in here. All right. Of course, you need the Philly cheesesteak. Now these cost, I believe, around about $6, but you get like 4 of them in there. I'll show you that. Open this pack up. I did get this at Walmart. As you can see, it says great value. They well worth it. Here they go in the package. You get 4 of those. All right. This is Tuscan rub right here. They have a lot of like different spices and stuff like that in there. Tastes pretty good. Okay. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use some black pepper. Just that's it. That's all I'm gonna use. Along with some bell peppers. I got onion. All right. Here's my onion. Right here. I'm gonna be using along with them. And I'm gonna do those separate. I know normally I mix mine in like that, but I'm gonna saute these up separately from the meat, okay? So stay tuned in for that. I'm gonna take you guys over there and we're gonna get the popping, crack-a-lacking. Matter of fact, we just go ahead and chop up this stuff, okay? Now, if you need me to show you how to chop up vegetables, just comment down below, okay? And let me know, all right? And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and adjust this so it won't burn up my meat. Put a little olive oil on here. Just like so. Take my spatula, move some of that around. All right. All right, put my meat on here. Come in here with some of the seasoning. Do the black pepper first. Alright, my Tuscan rub, put a little of that on there. I'm going to season it again too when I chop it, when I flip it. Alright. Alright, I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Get this stuff cracking. This higher. This gotta be higher to the eye. This is like smaller back here, and this one's kind of wider. So I'm gonna put this one on 4 and this one on medium. All right. So let's start seeing like it's getting like juices and stuff on there. On the top, then it's time to be flipped. Okay. So ain't no sense. It probably takes about 3 minutes or something because it was frozen. All right. All right. So I'll see you in a minute when it's time to flip those. In a minute. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. Try to bring them over here. Put them over here. like that. And all we're going to do is put some more black pepper on it. Some more Tuscan rub. Rather. I'm turning this up a little bit more because it's taking too long for me. Especially this part right here. Alright. We're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes, probably about 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll start chopping it up. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and start chopping this stuff up. It's been 3 minutes. Now what I normally do, I take my vegetables and put it in here. And I'm considering doing it. I said I wasn't going to do it. But it's just easier to do it like that. So this is what you can do. You take this, scoot this up this way. Oil down here. Alright, take my bell peppers that I chopped up. Put those on here. I like to let them hang out for a second before you put the other stuff. Because these take the longest to cook. So that's why I'm putting these on here. Help break those down a little bit. We're going to put a little Tuscan rub on here as well. And I will put a little salt on this if I can find it. Just to take these off. This helps break it down faster too. And we go with a little garlic on here as well. Since I got the cabinet open. So this is why I say don't skip the video. Alright, that's it. That's what I'm going to do. Take this over here. See that so easy to do. This right here. Nothing but a little razzle dazzle. Now it's on the bottom. What we're going to do here, turn this one down now. I'm going up here. Turn this down on medium. That should have enough oil on it. Put my onions over here. Like so. Rest that out that bowl. Like that. Trust me, it's science to this, for real, for real. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's the reason why I'm doing it like this. Alright. What do I want to put? A little Tuscan rub again. A little bit. No, I'm not. But we already got some in there. Probably go with the salt again and the garlic. Just a sprinkle. Not much. That's it. Now, oh, I snapped out. See, I've been tripping. I I got some thyme too. If you want to put some thyme on there, you don't have to. This recipe is not called for it. You put that on there. I'm putting like maybe a teaspoon, not even a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. It's very fine. It looks like I'm putting a lot, but it's not. It's just regular thyme, guys. All right, close the cabinets up. Move these onions around a little bit here. And it smells super delicious. Now you can take this and bring this on top. Like so. I know you wonder, why you put that on top? It ain't all the way done. There's a science to it. Trust me when I tell you. Just pay attention. Now you see where I'm going? I'm going to turn this all the way off, both of them, and it's just going to steam. Now normally when I make my Philly cheesesteak, I put the cheese on there right now, but I'm making Philly cheesesteak, cheesy Philly cheesesteak sliders. And the cheese go on that afterwards. But before we do all that, we're going to take some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to sprinkle a little of that on there. Just like so. See that sizzle? Alright. Mix that in a little bit more. And it smells fantastic around here. So, now, I'm going to let this sit here for a second while it's off, just so you can collect all the flavors. And then we're going to put this in a bowl, and I'm going to go over there and cut that bread. And we're going to spread on that bread and put it in that pan, put the cheese on. Well, I forgot the mushroom, didn't I? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, y'all. I forgot the mushroom. Uh-oh. Hey, we make mistakes sometimes. We're not perfect. Not perfect at all. That's all you're doing. And I'm still letting it rest. Now if you want to turn it back on, saute some of the mushrooms up a little bit, you can. But the heat will make it sweat and break it down, so don't worry about that. I like my mushroom to have a little texture to it as well. Alright guys, we're just going to let this sit up. And like I said, I'm going to take you guys over there. Cut this bread up and put this stuff together in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the bread. We're just going to take it just like this. See what it lined up at right here? We're just going to follow that and try to get close as possible. Should have had my bread knife. Alright, that's the top part. Put that in there. Take this, put it in the pan, like so. And we're going to take out some cheese. We're going to do our yellow cheese. Just like this. Like that. And what I'm going to add some mozzarella and provolone cheese to this on the top of that. That's that. I ain't got that much left no way, so I might as well use as much as I can. Yep, cheesy Philly cheesesteak sliders off the chain. From my home to yours. Alright, that's that on that. Then we're going to come in here with our meat. Going to put that on there. Just like so. Now this is enough to make at least 24 sandwiches. I mean, you know, decent sized sandwiches. Spread that out on there. Alright, now that's that right here. So far, we're gonna put some more cheese on this. Alright? So we're gonna come in here with our provolone. Just throw that in here. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake this. Or actually not bake it, we're gonna broil it. Let me see if I can scoop that over some. Just like that, fam. Alright. Now, we're going to put this in the oven and broil this. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to have it on the smallest rack, on the low rack, because I don't want it to melt too fast. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. That's it, right here. That's how it looks when it come out the oven. Now we're going to do, put our top on here. Just like so. Just like that. And we got some melted butter. We're going to brush that on top. Like so. And we're going to put it back in the oven for a hot second. Probably about, I don't know, about 30 seconds. Alright. Now, since we did that, we're going to take some garlic salt. A little bit. Not a lot, guys. A little bit. So sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Just like that. Take some Parmesan Romano. Sprinkle that on there. Just like that. Top it off with some parsley. Okay. That's what we're looking like. Put it in the oven for a hot second and we'll be done. Yep. And that's how you make cheesy Philly cheesesteak sliders. Okay? So I'll be back when it's done and we'll go ahead and wrap this up in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is. Cheesy Philly cheesesteak sliders. And this is how they look. Make use out for your family and friends. This is going over my auntie house. So shout out back to you, Lily. Happy birthday to you. Hope you enjoy these. And I'll see you guys in a minute. So please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget that that's right. Hit this bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen in a minute.